everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to be bringing you another quick Instant Pot recipe, and this is one that I've had on my radar for a while that I've wanted to try. So with that said, let's jump right in and I'll show you how to make, from what I understand and from what I hear, the most amazing sweet potatoes that you can make. So as always, please remember to give me a thumbs up if you like these videos, and also if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that little subscribe button and then you'll be notified for all of my upcoming videos. Alright, so enough of that, let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to choose a sweet potato. So depending on the size of the sweet potato that you have, depends on how long you need to cook them in your Instant Pot. So the research that I've done is you measure it from the width of the sweet potato, and that determines how long you cook it. So for instance, if you have a sweet potato that is 2 inches, and how do I know? I got my handy dandy little measuring tape here. So 2 inches, which is about what this one is. This one here will take about 18 minutes to cook. Now these are the two that we're making today, and these are just over 2 inches. So they're about 2.5 to 3 inches, about 2.5 each. So the 2.5 inch ones are going to take anywhere between 25 and 28 minutes. If you were closer to the 2 inches, I would do 25. I'm going to do 28, maybe 29 minutes because this one's a little larger, and we're going to try that. So we'll say 25 to 29 minutes. Now, we got Big Papa back here. Big Papa here at the most point is over 3 inches. Yeah, just over 3 inches. So that one is going to take, watch this, ready for this? 60 minutes, which I thought was kind of crazy. So this one, I think I will cut up and use in a different recipe. And I'll maybe use these two again for those two of that other recipe. These are the two that we're going to throw into our Instant Pot. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to wash these really good and scrub them down. And then when I'm ready to start putting them into the Instant Pot, what I'll do is I'll come back and then we will talk then about what else we need to do to get these babies going. And again, super excited about lunch today. And if you are on the Purple plan, these babies are 0 smart points. I love sweet potatoes. So super excited to be able to have these. I mean, not every day, but every once in a while. I mean, I guess I could have them every day. It's part of the plan. But super excited to get these back into my life because I love them. We go out to Texas Roadhouse to eat a little more often than we should. And 9 times out of 10, I get a sweet potato because really it's the only time that I get them, because they just take so long to cook in the oven. So hopefully this is my answer. So, okay, enough chit-chatting. Let me get these babies washed and let's get this recipe started so that I can have some lunch. Okay, so the first thing that I've done is I placed my trivet down into the bottom of my Instant Pot just so that the water does not come in contact with potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in 1 cup of water into the Instant Pot. I've got my sweet potatoes washed and ready to go, so I'm just going to place those in here. Now, do you notice I did not poke holes in these? From what I understand, you do not have to poke holes in them because of the fact that you're not baking it. It's not required, so no need to bake, to poke the holes, which I think is great because it's just one less step that you have to do. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to pop the lid on. We're going to close the lid. Let me see if I can turn the light on here. Maybe that'll help a little bit. This is venting. I'm going to turn this to ceiling. We're going to pop this on for 29 minutes. So hold on. I will grab you off the tripod and do that. Okay, that's easier. Manual, 29 minutes. We're going to let it go. It's going to beep to let us know that it's accepted my commands. Come on, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. and now it's on. Now we just wait. So once this finishes, I'm not sure if I need to do a quick release or if I'm just going to let it sit. So hang tight. I'll explain that when I get to that point. So let's just let this do its thing and then we'll come back. Okay, that's our Instant Pot going off, and we are going to do a natural release, which means that we're going to go ahead and let this sit and let the pressure come down on its own. So we're not going to flip the pressure sealing knob. We're just going to go ahead and let that sit, and when the little pin drops, which I will bring you over here and show you. Okay, so here is the little button here. Once this drops, that means that the Instant Pot is ready to safely open. So we're just going to go ahead and let this sit and let that happen. And when that happens, I'll come back. And again, I'm hoping that all the hype is true, that these are the creamiest sweet potatoes I've ever eaten. So stay tuned. Okay, our pin has dropped. You can see that here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And we're going to test our sweet potatoes. So it says once the natural release happens that you should pull them out, let them rest for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a plate. We're going to move this back. And then I'm going to pull our potatoes out. Oh, they feel nice and soft. All right, so that's our potato. Okay, so I'm going to let these go ahead and sit for a couple of minutes, and then I will tear into these. Tell me you're excited. I really, really love sweet potatoes, so crossing my fingers. Hang tight. Okay, so here is our sweet potato. I'm just going to cut it. Holy cow. That is smooth. Check it out. It is nice and creamy. It smells divine. All right, I'm going to top myself this baby, and I'm going to sit down and have it for lunch. If I remember, I'll pop a picture in here. So, holy cow. Winner. This recipe's a winner. I think I'm going to eat more sweet potatoes now. I think because they're so easy to make. I can throw these on and just not even give it a second thought. All right. Woohoo! Super excited. All right, so thanks for watching. Hope that you liked today's video. Again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the video, leave me comments, all that good stuff, and we'll see you next time.